Easy now, coming down slowly. Watch the alignment on the clamps.
Bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance here.
Specs match the schematic. We're within tolerance.
Looks like a successful run.
Confirmed. We can move this batch to assembly.
Cross-reference the serial numbers on the tablet. We need confirmation before install.
Confirmed. All diagnostics are nominal.
Hold steady. Clear on the left side. Lowering. Perfect alignment.
Adjusting the angle for the rescan on the lower quadrant.
Looks solid now. All green, alignment verified.
Easy now, bring it down 5 centimeters. Hold steady on the starboard side.
Hold position. We need a micro adjustment on the x-axis.
Reading alignment tools now. Looks good, clear to proceed.
We have a slight misalignment on the propulsion system.
Agreed. Mark this section for immediate correction.
We have a pressure spike at injector array 4. Rerouting coolant flow. Readings are normalizing now.
Sensor output holding steady at 99.8%.
Acknowledged. We are go for integration confirmation.
Sign off on the final sequence check.
Confirmed. The system is flight ready.
Alignment check on stage 2.
Readings are stable.
Locking clamps engaged. Confirmed secure.
Security confirms green status. Path is clear. Authorization granted.
Roger that. Engaging transport sequence.
Status check, all stations. We are approaching the alignment point.
Confirmed. Hydraulics holding steady at 900 psi.
Torque complete. Confirmed. All systems locked. Approaching the interface. Confirming alignment on port 3.
Alignment confirmed. Proceed slowly.
Fuel tank connection verified. All indicators green.
Acknowledged. Proceed with final systems check.
Fuel integration pressure is stable. Cryo levels nominal.
Good. We are green for the next phase.
All systems check complete. Parameters nominal.
Confirmed. We are go for final readiness.
This is Launch Director. All stations, final readiness report. Status is green, MD1.
RSO, confirm flight path is clear.
Confirmed. Flight path remains clear.
We are go for launch.
Valve seal confirmed on engine cluster 7. All green here.
Roger, ground team, you are clear to egress the pad.
Launch pad is clear.
Confirmed. Proceeding with automated checks.
Automated systems check complete. Operational readiness verified.
Copy that. Proceeding with launch countdown.
T-minus 10 minutes and counting. All systems go.
Trajectory alignment confirmed, Director. We are green for launch. Telemetry stable.
Propulsion is ready.
Guidance aligned. We are go for launch.
The audio features the sound of computer beeps, accompanied by mission control communication chatter and soft cinematic background music.
All systems are green. Trajectory stable.
Confirmed. Altitude increasing on projection. Propulsion is nominal.
Flight trajectory stable. Mission proceeding successfully.
We did it! Orbital insertion confirmed!
Incredible work, everyone.
With this successful launch,